Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Ford Expedition Platinum and I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2015 all the way up to 2017, the third generation, but after the facelift. Okay, now first I will actually show you how to make sure that Bluetooth is actually turned on the vehicle. So you want to select this settings button right here. Then you want to press the settings in the left side menu. Then you want to select phone. And right here you want to make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. Now once that is done, you can either click here onto Bluetooth devices and then press add device, or the other option is you can just press add phone right here.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
And now you have this code displayed here, and I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. First you want to make sure the Bluetooth is turned on your phone. And then you want to scroll all the way down under the available devices. Now this sync, Ford Sync, this is the one you have to select. And now this is in pairing mode. This will take maybe 5 seconds.
On sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So I just make sure that the numbers match both on the phone and on the screen, and then press pair. And that's it on this side. And now also press yes here on the screen.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Okay, and that's it. Now your phone is ready to be used, and you can either use it for phone calls or to listen to the music via Bluetooth. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.